River Severn off the Ironbridge, and just further up the river with the right light, it almost looks like a complete circle, which is no mean feat considering the bridge was built way back in the 1770s. Now, it's a nice start to the day here, but it's not like this everywhere. If you have a look at our live camera shot of Plymouth, it has been very wet here this morning and murky, and we've had some thunderstorms to boot as well. In Cardiff, again, a really miserable start to the day. It's wet, and then as we push up to Leeds, well, it's cloudy, but at least it is dry. Now, back here in Ironbridge, it is a fine start to the day, just a light breeze. You can probably hear the birds chirping away behind me. And as we take a look at the outlook for the next few days, today we still do have some fine weather to be had, but the worst of the weather is going to be in the west. Now, by tomorrow, the worst of the weather will be moving over to the east, so some thundery downpours here, and it's going to feel cooler. Then by the time we get to Sunday, perhaps better. There will be some cloud around though, and there'll also be some rain in places, especially later in the day coming into the southwest. Now, talking of rain, if we take a look at the radar pictures, you can see exactly what I mean. We've got some really beefy reds in and amongst the greens and also the yellows. That's where we've had the thunderstorms and where the heaviest weather is at the moment. So the Met Office still have a severe weather warning out for the southwest of England and also Wales. If you're travelling, the torrential thundery downpours will lead to dangerous driving conditions and possibly some flash flooding as well. And as we saw on the radar, Northern Ireland's not looking very nice either, so do take it easy through this morning. For the rest of us this morning, it's a fine start to the day. There is some cloud around, more cloud than there was yesterday, and a bit more cloudy, especially so, plaguing parts of eastern Scotland and the northeast of England, and that will get worse as we go through the course of the day as the easterly wind picks up off the North Sea. Top temperatures, well, about 24 degrees Celsius in Birmingham and also London, maybe 25, but under the cloud cover in the east we're looking at about 12 in Aberdeen. That's it from me, back to Sian.